Hello and welcome. Now in this video, we're actually going to go and look at some of the services that you can offer to other internet marketers and entrepreneurs. Now you'll notice here that we are in the Warrior Forum, and if you look at the address that we are in the warriorforum.com. Now you may or may not have an account at the Warrior Forum. In some cases you may want to get an account so that you can go here and offer some of these services, but we're actually going to be talking about how you can offer them in a different way. But you do want to come to the Warrior Forum so that you can understand what other marketers are looking for in the service. Now you notice here that I've gone inside of the Warrior Forum. I've gone inside of a particular forum that's called the Warriors for Hire, and I'm actually going to show you how you get to that forum right now. Now you are looking at the Warrior Forum, and what you're going to do is you're going to look at the very front part of the forum. You want to look for this subforum called Warriors for Hire. When you get there, you're going to see that you get to actually search the forum, and you want to go inside of the forum and then click search this forum. You then want to do an advanced search. When you get there, what you're going to do is you're going to actually put in the terms that you want to search for. And the way that I do it is I like to look for the titles only in my search. And this will actually give me those results that I'm really looking for. Otherwise, you can get a lot of irrelevant results. You're going to notice here right away that I've actually gone and I've looked for video creation in Warriors for Hire. And you notice that there are quite a few results here. There are 63 total, and you get a chance to see those people that are actually creating video for other people. And you can look at that and look at some of their listings to see what they're looking for. One of the great things about the Warrior Forum is you'll actually get to see some of the replies and how people created the service, maybe what they did and did not do fully when they were servicing customers. You'll also see here that I can actually put in here creation. Right, and you can see there are people who just do the creation process. I've also done a search for voiceover, and so again, if you've got audio equipment and you can actually do the actual voiceover, you can go inside of the Warrior Forum again to see what a service looks like. I understand that you can do any of these services on Fiverr that may or may not necessarily be the market that you're looking for. You can do that, but what we're talking about is creating the service that other internet marketers want so that you understand how to do it for their business. I'm actually going to show you here. Here's someone who's offering a webinar service. Right, you can see what they're looking for. They've actually got their tools on the Warriors for Hire section. Right, so they're offering a webinar service. You can also see that there's someone who writes sales copy. Quite a few people there. You look at their 70 listings, and these are people that rewrite or write sales copy. So if you are confident in the way that you write or rewrite sales copy, maybe you want to do it for people who already have PLR, you can actually do that and offer that service here inside of the Warrior Forum, or you can offer services that mirror these that are in the Warrior Forum. You'll see here that here's someone who understands how to put a membership site together. So this is someone who obviously understands whether it's optimized press or whatever membership site software that's out there. If you have that software, you can actually offer the service to be able to set people up in their membership site. You can see here that here's someone looking for somebody who understands ClickFunnels. So if you understand ClickFunnels and you understand how to get people set up and how to get people operating, that's a service that you can offer. You can offer Facebook ad management. So again, now you do need to understand how this actually works, but once again, it is a service that you can offer people in addition to actually doing the actual work of doing your own Facebook ads. And one of the things I want to show you right here is that here's someone who actually does interviews, and they actually give you some of the assets that go along with it, and you can buy an interview service. Right? They'll do a third-party interview of you. So basically, you want to poke around the Warrior Forum so you can find out what marketers are looking for. Go to the Warriors for Hire section. In some cases, you can go to the classified ad section. And what you're going to do is you're going to actually get a look at how to offer a real service that you can actually take some of the products that you already have and turn them into services for other people. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you in another video.